gentlemen, my name is indeed Madame, and it's an honor to perform for AYITI DEPLOGÈ. John Bernard and I go way back. We met in Haiti years ago. So, it's a pleasure to be his friend tonight. A lot of us are worried about a lot of things. About our health, about our wealth. But I have a message for you tonight from Robert Nesta. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds beside my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true. Singing, this is my message to you. Sing along. Singing, don't worry about a thing. Don't you worry, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing. Don't you worry, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. 'Cause it's gonna be alright. 'Cause
Every little thing is gonna be alright.
thank you.